Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see how to make a playlist in YouTube. Okay. So to begin with, we will go to this website studio.youtube.com, and then this is the place where you can see all your videos and statistics, etc. Right. So here in the third button you can see the third menu item is playlist. Okay, just click on that. And after that you can see all your playlist. Here you can start by creating a new playlist, give it a name, and after that here you can decide which this playlist will be accessible to which types of users. Okay, so if you put it as public, then it will be listed in the YouTube channel, right? And if it is unlisted, then only the people with the link will be able to view your playlist. And if it is private, then other than you, nobody else can access your playlist. Okay, so I will be setting it as public and create. Now this is where you can start adding your videos, right? And to add your videos, you can go to your videos section here. Okay, so click on this particular tab and you can see all your videos. All you have to do is click on this button over here and just select save to playlist. Okay, so as soon as you do that, you can see your playlist has is shown over here. You just click this checkbox and you can see it is added to your playlist. Similarly, you can add other videos, and once all the videos are done, you can go back to your playlist and you can see I have added 2 videos. You can check the videos here, right? So here you can see both the videos are here, and you can even sort them based on which video should play first, right? You can click and drag and you can sort the videos based on what is the sequence of your videos, right? And finally you can edit the title from here, and if you want to add any description for the playlist, you can do it from here. Okay, and if suppose you want to delete the playlist, all you have to do is click this 3 dots over here and you can click this button to delete the playlist. Okay, now once your playlist is ready, the last task will be to share it to the users. Right, now to do that, you can see the share button over here. If you click that, you can see you get the playlist link. So if you copy this and now if you paste it on the browser and visit, you can see your playlist opens, right? So another way of adding videos to your playlist is using the 3 dots over here, and you can see there is a button called add videos. Okay, now this method is easier because you can add multiple videos to your playlist at one time. Okay, so just click on that and here you can add any video from here, but I want to add my videos only, so I will go to the third tab. Okay, and then I will select whichever videos I want to be in my playlist. Okay, so I will click one by one whichever videos I want, and once all these videos are selected, I will select add videos, and you can see this is the faster method of adding videos to your playlist. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to create a playlist in YouTube. See you in the next video.